Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to enable and use always on display in Oppo F19 Pro. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, go to Settings. Then select Home Screen, Lock Screen and Always on Display. Scroll down and find Always on Display. Tap on it. Now simply toggle the button to enable it. And Always on Display is enabled. You can also select which options you want to show on the display. Just uncheck the box you want to remove from the display. You will see the preview here what it looks like. Select the options you like. For more options, tap Always on Display. From here you can select, Always on Display will be activated whether on power saving mode, or scheduled time, or all day. You can disable Always on Display anytime, by toggle that button off. So in this way, you can enable and use Always on Display in Oppo F19 Pro. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.